Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. This is a pre-listing for an 06 Wrangler TJ, all the way from California, 55,000 original and documented miles. Now, please keep in mind, for our pre-listings, the vehicle is not finished. We are in the middle phase of our reconditioning, servicing, detailing, etc. I'll let you know we have performed our full paint correction service on the Jeep already, which is a wet sand compound polish and buff. The bumpers, the flares, the mirrors, the flares up front and bumper have all been removed off of the Jeep during the paint correction process, and then they were all painted with a satin black paint. We also upgraded the wheel and tire to a OEM Rubicon wheel. Fits on it perfect with a grabber tire. Obviously, both the wheels and tires, although we just put them on, they did come from another Jeep that we had here. The spare is brand new, but all the tires have a healthy 90-95% tread. It does still remain on the factory suspension with the 55,000 miles. A lot of our clients want an original style Jeep, so we are going to option this Jeep the way it is, suspension and wheel and tire, or our 2.5-inch suspension and steering package, which is commonly the one that most people get. So undercarriage, as you'll see here in a moment, is absolutely spotless as well. If there's anything you want us to add to the Jeep, we'll be more than happy to do so. But no armor all on this. That is the satin paint, giving it a nice, beautiful finish. You can see the factory paint, especially after our paint correction, has the paint looking absolutely beautiful. We do have a brand new top coming. This is the original top. It's actually in good condition, but we are replacing the top. Obviously, we're gonna do full top size, everything. During our detail, all the seats were removed, carpet was removed. We have pictures and videos of that will be on the listing as well. The floor pan is absolutely brand new looking and flawless. $55,000 miles on a white TJ, half doors, absolutely beautiful, beautiful rig. AC's nice and cold. Show you the engine bay real quick. Painted the front bumper and the filler panel as well. Check out how clean and original the engine bay is. We did not pressure wash it or degrease it or anything like that. Exactly what you're looking at is the way it came in. We can see all of the markers line up perfect. I mean, engine smooth as can be. Usually this area starts to get a lot of rust on it. That plate right there starts to get a lot of rust on it. Very, very clean. So a quick recap, full paint correction, all the black pieces removed, repainted, wheels and tires, full interior detail. Of course, like all of our TJs, the engine, driveline, all of that's gonna be serviced, ready to go as well. So option-wise on this Jeep, it does also comes with a new top. That's included. So for the main part, options, full 2.5-inch suspension and steering system. At that point, we can reuse these Moab wheels. They go perfect on that setup. But we would ideally probably upgrade to a 285 75/16 tire. We're currently on a 245 75. So with the 2.5-inch lift, it would be a 33-inch tire, which gives this Jeep an absolute awesome look, but it does look very clean the way it is now as well. So we do have the back seat for it as well. Like I said, we're not done with the Jeep. So the back seat is folded over there next to that LJ and Ferrari. So 55,600 miles. That's not cracked and brittle like you see on all of them. Very, very clean rig. If it doesn't sell during this pre-listing, we will update pictures and video once we get the new top and everything on. Thank you. Part of our process here at Davis Autosports, especially with our TJs on our reconditioning is obviously we remove all the seats to get full access to the carpet, and on top of that we actually remove the carpet as well for a few reasons. Number one, full inspection of the floor pan. You can see the floor pan underneath, but the inside can tell a completely different story as well if there was previous leaks or anything like that where water sat for a long time. So we do it for a lot of different reasons, but on this example you'll see that the floor pan is truly flawless all the way around. What you'll get on a lot of these TJ floor plans, little pockets of rust, water sitting in, not being drained properly, leaks over the years, and you won't even see it from the underneath side. So to see a floor pan like this is just absolutely incredible. So while the carpet's out, one thing that we do too is we go ahead and pressure wash it, get it super clean, let it air out in the sun, and then we clean the seats very well, and then everything goes in for a nice, clean, fresh feel. And this thing's really making its way, and it's going to come out absolutely beautiful.